Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with GD. Tonight, simple night routine lang dito sa Bordin. Kaya tara, samahan mo ako. Tapos na akong kumain, so ngayon, nag-uugas muna ako ng plato. Usually, dito nagsisimula yung pag-slow down ko after a long day eh. Simple lang to, pero for me, importante siyang part ng routine ko. Habang naghuhugas, tahimik lang yung paligid, marinig mo yung tubig, and somehow nakaka-relax siya. Minsan dito ka talaga napapaisip about sa araw mo, sa mga nangyayari at kung gaano kakapagod. Hindi perfect yung araw-araw pero at least tinatapos natin ng maayos. After this, tuloy-tuloy na yung pahinga. Sometimes, even simple tasks like this help calm my mind. It's the moment I feel that day is finally over and I can truly rest. After that, I always try to clean my space before resting. A tidy room helps me feel calmer and more at ease. And it doesn't take much time, but it really makes a difference at the end of the day. So, after cleaning, inayos ko muna yung mga gamit dito sa room at gusto ko kasi na maayos lahat bago talaga magpahinga. Hindi naman kailangan perfect, di ba? Basta alam ko na kung nasaan yung mga gamit ko. While doing this, I try to move slowly and not rush anything. It's kind of relaxing, just putting things back where they belong. Minsan magulo rin yung araw ko kaya parang ganito rin inaayos ko muna paunti-unti. Simple lang yung ginagawa ko, di ba? Pero it helps clear my mind. And I believe that your space really affects your mood. When the moon or when the room feels calm, mas madali ring kumalma yung sarili mo. Inayos ko yung mga damit, yung bag, and other small things sa ginagamit ko kanina. Walang pressure, walang rush, just taking my time. At the end of the day, this is my way of resetting. Preparing my space so I can fully rest and relax later. At habang inayos ko yung mga gamit, mas nagiging tahimik yung paligid. At parang dito ko talaga nararamdaman na papunta na yung araw sa pagtatapos. And I remind myself na okay lang mapagod, okay lang na magpahinga. And not every day has to be productive. At sometimes you just need to slow down. And this small routine helps me feel grounded and present. After everything is in place, mas gumagaan yung pakiramdam ko na and I feel more ready to rest for the night. And that's next. Maghihilamos muna ako para mawala yung pagod ng buong araw. And cold water on my face, parang reset button talaga siya for me. And I take a deep breath and let the water do its thing. Simple moment lang to pero sobrang nakaka-fresh. Habang naghihilamos, I try to clear my thoughts and slow everything down. Tahimik lang yung paligid, tubig lang yung maririnig mo. And I don't rush this part, I just let the water flow. Parang dito ko lang pinapakalang yung stress at pagod ng araw. Little moments like this make a big difference before going to bed. After this, mas fresh na yung pakiramdam ko and ready na akong magpahinga. And after washing my face, pinupunasan ko muna siya gently. And I like taking my time, feeling fresh and relaxed. Small routine lang to but it helps me feel clean and ready to rest. After that, I start brushing my teeth and this is one routine I never skip. Kahit gaano pa ako kapagod, brushing my teeth helps me feel clean and comfortable before sleeping. And I take my time and brush slowly. Walang minamadali. And sometimes, this is the moment where just stand quietly and think. The sound of water and brushing feels calming for me. I focus on every part, making sure everything feels fresh. At simple habit lang siya pero it's really important. While brushing, I let my thoughts slow down. No stress, no rush, just the quiet moment. I remind myself that the day is already over. What happened earlier, bukas na ulit haharapin. Taking care of myself, even in small ways, matters. This routine helps me relax and prepare for rest. After brushing, I already feel lighter and calmer. It's a small step, but it completes my night routine. And after this, I'm finally ready to rest and sleep. After brushing, sinasara ko na yung bintana kasi gabi na and I don't want mosquitoes coming in lalo na pag matutulog na. Closing the window makes the room feel safer and more comfortable. Simple action lang to but it really helps me relax. Everything feels calmer and I'm getting ready to rest. After closing the windows, nagpapalit na ako ng damit for the night and I choose something comfortable, yung presko at maluwag lang. Changing into comfy clothes really signals na tapos na yung araw. It helps my body and mind to slow down. Simple routine lang to but it feels and it make a big difference. Mas relax na ako and ready na for rest. At this moment, I just want to feel calm and comfortable. After changing my clothes, humihiga na ako para magpahinga. The foam feels soft and my body finally relaxes. This is my favorite part of the night. I take a deep breath and let everything slow down. No more crashing, no more thinking about the day, and just me, my space, and this sweet moment. At this point, I'm ready to rest and enjoy the calm. After lying down, binubuksan ko na yung electric fan. The cool air instantly but the room more comfortable and I just eat slowly just enough to feel relaxed. This is the moment where I finally rest. Habang nakahiga, nagsiselfone lang muna ako and scrolling through my phone, watching random videos, no pressure, no rush, just relaxing. I let my mind wander and enjoy the quiet and this is how I end my night calm, simple and peaceful. And the soft sound of the fan fills the room and slowly helps my mind and body to relax. Then the fine noise becomes my background sound for the night. I slowly put my phone down and take a deep breath. Everything feels calm and my body is ready to sleep. Good night.